Hello, this is Juan Zurita. This is my simple web page which uses a cloud database, more exactly Firestore, to interact with the user. And basically, here you're entering details for someone, and you store the ID, which is whatever number you want to put, a name, an age, and yeah. So what I did was put mine. I'm gonna try. No, actually, two is always also there. Let's try three. Here, let's put your Maya, and then age. I am gonna write 30. That's a good age. Then insert. Data it's entered successfully. Then Juan, my ID, that's me. It's one, and for the person I just made, it's three. So there you see. Um, there's someone stored in two. And also, if you want to delete someone, you can just delete it by the ID. Now I'm going to explain how this works. You can remove that. So if you go here and try to find three, that's not going to work. No data found. And also, you can edit too. So let's update the name to um, Max update. And then let's try that. Oops, not W. Two. Yeah, and no age. Yeah, so this is basically the code. And I mean, this is basically the page, but here's the code. So, um, here's how's the HTML, which is like basically just a simple web page with some inputs and buttons for interact with the page, and a footer and all that. Um, and two hidden elements. That it's an H3. So, um, what I want to show, which is important, is the scripts folder, which has the module. And this is really important because here, what I'm using, it's basically I'm importing some methods from this Firebase app, which is something really cool because I am actually importing all this information, which is given by the project here in Firebase. And oh yeah, and I wanted to show this. This is what the the database looks like, and yeah, this is really interesting. um I'm gonna explain this later. So here what I'm doing, it's getting all this information, which the majority of this is given by the project when I create it in Firebase. And here, um, I'm importing all this from here, from this, let's say, module. This allows me to have these functions to set, which is here, set, get, which is here. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, get. It's set, get, update, and remove. And I'm getting here the content from the inputs, and I'm creating basically a collection which contains a document, which will be the ID, and that document has key and value for name, ID, and age. And that's for the insert data. For the find data, is just retrieving that information. For the update data, it's changing just two things. Because if you change the ID, that would be basically creating something. Because you are that because that's the key. I mean, no, that's not the key. That is the co- document. Yeah, the document. And yeah, here in remove data, that's basically um removing like the whole document. And yeah, that's pretty much it. um I think there are some things that I want to do. What I did is basically creating a branch to host this page. And oh yeah, I wanted to explain this. So this is the collection doc people. Then people has documents, and this is a document, and each document has a value and a pair. I mean the key and the value, which is a pair. And yeah, this is basically how the database looks like. And there are many ways of linking a database to your project. This is one way to do it. It's kind of simple, but eventually I want to learn React or other frameworks to make this better, um, to link the Firebase and Firestore to the app. And yeah, that's my project.